It may seem that you can do everything with this product, from washing your hair with it to cleaning carpets. Surprisingly, you can drink it and get unexpected benefits for your overall health. Here's the one and only apple cider vinegar. Today, we'll give you the list of the top 4 benefits of apple cider vinegar for your health. Watch till the end, because we're going to reveal how to replace it for even better results. The very first benefit, apple cider vinegar may help with your digestion. Drinking apple cider vinegar can reduce bloating and improve digestion. When your stomach doesn't produce enough acid, key minerals and proteins can be absorbed into your body. Raw apple cider vinegar can increase stomach acid levels because of its acidic properties. This means it introduces more acid into your digestive tract. Second benefit, apple cider vinegar may lower your cholesterol. Studies have shown that apple cider vinegar reduces bad cholesterol and increases good cholesterol because it contains natural antioxidants. Another study investigated the effects of taking apple cider vinegar in people on a low-calorie diet. The researchers found that participants who took apple cider vinegar not only lost more weight in comparison with those who took a placebo, but also had lower triglycerides and cholesterol. And that's great news because high triglycerides and cholesterol levels can increase your risk of heart attack and stroke. Third benefit, apple cider vinegar may lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. Research says that vinegar can help moderate or even treat type 2 diabetes. Some studies show that consuming vinegar after a high-carb meal can improve insulin sensitivity by as much as 19 to 30% and significantly reduce blood sugar levels. Also, another research says that consuming 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bedtime reduces fasting blood sugar by 4% the following morning. However, it shouldn't be used as a replacement for your medications, so talk to your doctor before including this product in your diet. Most popular benefit, apple cider vinegar may help lose weight. According to several studies, taking vinegar along with a high-carb meal increases the level of fullness. Participants of this study ate 200 to 275 fewer calories throughout the rest of the day. So by taking apple cider vinegar daily, you increase your satiety and consume fewer calories. Also, taking apple cider vinegar is popular amongst intermittent fasting fans. Why? Because it helps fight food cravings and makes passing your fasting window easier. Also, mixing a glass of water with 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar before breaking your fast will help stimulate your digestive tract, preparing it for food. It's important to remember that because of vinegar's acidic compounds, it should always be mixed with a glass of water before consuming it. Otherwise, you risk having such side effects as tooth enamel erosion or drug interactions. But here's a twist. As we mentioned at the beginning of this video, there's a great replacement for drinking apple cider vinegar for achieving even better results, especially if you want to lose weight. There are more modern ways to get the best of this vinegar, and we're talking about supplements such as apple cider vinegar gummies. For example, Do Fasting gummies are infused with apple cider vinegar that is incredibly high in healthful substances. It helps kill harmful bacteria, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce cholesterol, and lose weight. For an extra health kick, gummies also include vitamins such as B6, B12, and folic acid. So why not try this delicious addition to your everyday meals and improve your overall health without worrying about getting unnecessary side effects? Just go for it! Check out the link below this video, get the Do Fasting gummies, and experience all these benefits yourself. If you want to find out more about the health benefits of other superfoods, watch the video about the surprising effects of drinking olive oil. And if you're interested in trying intermittent fasting, check out our playlist, Intermittent Fasting: The Ultimate Guide.